Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the NVX version and confirming the theme package matches that release. Once done, create a full backup of your current theme files and configuration so you can revert if needed. Next, install required tools, NVX Theme CLI, Node 14 or later, and Git. Authenticate to the repo. Now open your project folder and run the CLI init command to scaffold the theme workspace, so you have all build scripts and config files ready to modify. You'll now customize the theme, change variables for colors, fonts, and spacing in theme, config or the variable's stylesheet so the changes propagate, then override or extend components in the /components folder, make small edits, and test each one using the local dev server so you catch regressions early. Once satisfied, run linters and unit checks to validate code. Finally, execute npm run build to produce optimized production assets and verify the build output before deploying to staging. You finish by committing and pushing your theme branch, then opening a merge request with CI/CD pipelines enabled to run tests automatically. Deploy the built theme to staging and validate pages, responsiveness, accessibility, and load times. Make sure interactive components behave as expected. After QA sign-off, promote the release to production and monitor logs and metrics closely. If something goes wrong, revert quickly using the backup or rollback tag. That single recovery plan saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.